Haley, I'm going to show you what your website with Rocket Readability, which is this little extension right here. You go through the Chrome extension store, but let me show you this. Okay, so I'm going to go to your website, this first one, and then all of the stuff around here, all the little pop-ups. If I click on that, Rocket Readability, it totally changes it. Now, it doesn't get rid of all of the extra things because I was looking through here and there's still one thing there. I think you might be able to get rid of it there, but the student would have to do that. So you'd have to teach them how to do that little readability thing. And because I don't think there's just a, because this link is not different, it just goes through this filter. So anyway, I thought that would be a good option if you wanted to still use this but not have all those things pop up. So that's it.